Well, I managed to score my 16th Batwing. Bat swing. It's in light, French bovine, light horn, dagger blade. This is number 16 in my collection. Has the 2010 tang stamp, AGA Campolin, no button issues, fires very, very hard. Really nice, really, really nice. So now I've got a trio of light horn, and I like this look. Damn, it's beautiful. I'll try it this weekend and do a final group photo. My fingers feel, my thumb's better, my weather cut is. But yeah, these things just fire so good. They sound beautiful when they fire. And that is my 16th Batwing. So my little brood of bats is at Sweet 16. And I tell you, the music that comes out of these when you fire them is just incredible. Number 16 in my collection. Getting any more will be very, very difficult. And right now I'm pretty much probably going to end it at 16 because they're just too hard to get a hold of. Anyway guys, later on, take it easy. Yeah, 16th bat swing. 13 inches long. A beautiful Italian steel. Batwing guards. Flush button. Beautiful. Guys, take it easy later on.